Okay, let's go.
I was lucky enough to land one of the first X9000 V3s in Australia. So I'll do a little unboxing video. You see, I've actually had it for a week, but I've been at work, so I haven't even been able to open it up or do anything. As always with the EBMX products, you do get this card. Heap of details you need to keep. Heaps of QR codes to scan, so don't lose that card. This thing's heavy. X9000 V3. Man, I am stoked to get this. I can't wait to get it fitted to the bike. You can see they've gone with a different design since the V1, V3. They've got the plugins now, whereas the V1 had the cables just hanging straight out. Also includes your Bluetooth module. You do need to have that. You do need to have that connected. That's the only way to connect to the app and download your firmwares and change your settings. Thumb throttle. I'm going to fit the thumb throttle on this one. I've ripped off my V1 already and put it on the go-kart, and I put the thumb throttle on there for regen braking, which is I'm been finding useful. I'm just getting used to muscle memory and using that. The new display. This is coloured now. That's a great upgrade for us on the old controller. Still on the black and white. Mounting hardware. They recommend using their hardware. Throw out the old ones. Don't throw them out, put them in a box. But use the new hardware that you got with it. And last in this box is the 2-to-1. Another smart little thing they've done with their 2-to-1 cables is made one rectangle, one circle. So you can't get them out wrong way around. Always got to be very careful not to bend those little pins when you're inserting your plugs though. When EBMX ship you your X9000, you also get this little bag. This is your harness to suit the bike you're fitting it to. I'm fitting mine to the Surron Light B, so they've sent me the Light B harness. This is what that looks like. There's the two plugs to go into the back of the controller. Then you've got your 2-to-1 and what would that be? Your Bluetooth. Your 2-to-1 and your Bluetooth. And then the other two plugs are just plug into your Surron harness. If you're running an EBMX motor, you're going to need another harness to connect all this together. With the V1 and the V2, when you bought the motor, it came with a new harness adapter to plug into your motor. This will not fit on your V3, so you will need to order that separately. I got a little excited, ripped off my V1 controller, because I knew this was coming in a couple of days, and I was hoping to fit it straight away and go riding. But then we worked out that they don't have the harnesses in stock in Australia, so I am waiting for that to be sent out. All right, that was just a quick video. Show you where you can get in your box when you get your X9000, and a little bonus tip thrown in there. Hopefully the harness comes in another week. I'm gonna fit that up, and the first thing I'm testing is that wheelie control. Or wheel lift assist, I think they're calling it. I want to test out this wheelie function though. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. EBMX Global have just come out and said you must also install your breaker air switch on your V3.